Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Meizu M8 to Samsung device. Start by accessing Play Store on both smartphones. Then click on the search bar and type iOS Launcher. Now you need to download this free app from this developer and open it. Now select I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Then select receive on Samsung and send on Meizu. After that you need to choose all of those all of those dots, like that one, and choose send in order to send all of those files. It will take a long while though, so I will go with this one photo, select send and click on got it. From here we have two ways to connect. We can input this key over here and choose receive or scan QR code. If you want to scan it, click on the scanning icon on Samsung, then choose allow in the pop-up over here and point your camera at the code. As you can see, my photo was successfully transferred. You can always make sure of it by going into some kind of Files app, clicking on, in my case, images, and looking for Send Anywhere folder. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!